Hi children, now we are going to discuss a small topic, that is electric motor in our electromagnetism lesson. See, what is meant by electric motor? It is a device which converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. Suppose this motor is used in the fan. Because of motor, that fan is rotating. When you switch on, current is passing, fan is revolving, we get some air. That is mechanical energy. That fan takes electrical energy, gives us mechanical energy. So, electric motor means the device which converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. Have you understood, my dear children? Now, what is the construction of this electric motor? You observe the figure. There are mainly 4 parts in this electric motor. The first one is armature. Second one is NS magnetic poles, which are in concave shape. Third one, C1, C2 slip rings. Fourth one, B1, B2 carbon brushes. These are the 4 parts we need for the construction of electric motor. Now, explanation, we will see that explanation. What is meant by armature? This armature is in rectangular shape. Observe in the figure ABCD. It is made up of soft iron and copper wire is wounded on that rectangular shape. Now it is armature. This armature is arranged on one iron rod, which is called a shaft. Now this arrangement is kept between 2 magnetic poles which are in concave shaped. NS. Okay. The ends of armature is connected to C1, C2 slip rings. Now take B1, B2 carbon brushes. They are arranged besides the slip rings. A copper wire is connected through C1, C2 and B1, B2 to a battery. This is the simply its construction. Now, how it works? When switch on, current is passing through armature. In what direction you see? From current is entered through B1, C1, A to B to C to D. Again, it comes out from through C to B2. Observe, my dear children. When current is passing, it enters first B1, later C1, then enters AB side in the armature. When current is passing in this direction, in AB side you apply right hand rule. We know right hand rule. Current is passing in the direction of AB, then force is applied in downward direction on AB side. Similarly, current is passing through CD. Again you apply this right hand rule. force is acted on the CD in upward direction. Observe, my dear children. In AB side, downward direction. In CD side, upward direction. Here downward, here upward. Then automatically armature rotates in anti-clockwise direction. When it completes half rotation, that CD comes to this side, AB comes to this side. Then direction of the current in the armature will be changed. Due to that, armature rotates continuously between the NS poles. When armature rotates continuously, we know that armature is arranged on a lengthy iron rod which is called shaft. Shaft also rotates. If that shaft is connected to any object, that object will also rotate. Suppose that shaft and some device is connected with some belt. Shaft rotates. The device which is connected to that shaft with belt, that device also rotates. So in this way, electric motor is used, worked. You listen this video for 2 or 3 times and read in our textbook or notes which is given to you, your teachers. Easily you can understand and practice this diagram for 3-4 times. You will get clear idea, my dear children. It is very easy. If you read or if you listen 2-3 times this video, you will understand very easily. All the best, my dear children. ఈ వీడియోను మీరు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.